Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete a group chat on Messenger for permanently. First of all, you can open the Messenger application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply select the group chat that you want to delete permanently. I can select this group. After selecting the group, you can now tap on the group name at the top left corner of the screen, and after this you can just simply scroll down, and here you can see the very last option, that is leave chat. In the privacy and sports section, tap on it, and after this you can now tap on leave, and after leaving the group chat you can also ask others to leave group chat, and once all the members of the group leave the group chat is automatically deleted permanently, and it is a way you can delete group chat permanently. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes your browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.